Hey, Eloise. You gave me the camera, didn't you? That's the way it goes.
Les is gone tomorrow.
Oh.
Yep, let's do it tomorrow. Let's be here.
Go quick.
No picture tomorrow.
How about we? You know what? We're just gonna get a video camera at a Come on, Krista.
Hey, Brian.
Brian, over there. Les.
Andrew.
You don't mind kneeling in front here?
Big dog.
Really? Tanner, further that way.
Hurry. It's hot down here.
Dan, over that way.
There they come.
Everybody over at the park. Over by the park. Should we do come around the campfire?
Here's about the fortune. Why not? Ew, what the heck is that?
Okay, start digging in there.
Pasta.
Someone is sitting here right now.
Okay, one more time around. You look right in the camera over here.
Hi, buddy. Yeah.
Alright, you can go in
Garlic and butter.
Hi, guys.
between the two things of corn.
Do you have anything to say? No. What's your name? What's your name? Ryan. Very good girl. What you gonna? Want to go for a walk? Huh? Want to go for a walk? Yeah.
Bucket. Take a picture of the fish. I probably have the same height as that one.
Well, because we have one that's stuck to the back of the boat. So
What? I can fish off. Oh, yeah, right.
as in we're going to go out in a few minutes and fish.
That right. Out there. Biggie, take a picture of this, Dan.
Which one?
This.
Okay.
Dan. No.
Hold it up.
All right, Grayson. Grayson, where are you going to stand?
Hold it up.
Yeah. Here it is.
Okay. I got it.
Yeah. Got it?
Yep.
Okay. Good. Because I love this fish. Oh.
What's Jeremiah doing?
Huh?
He's trying to drink.
Don't like to fish?
Jeremiah,
Do something funny.
say something funny.
Can you tell me one of your dad's jokes? They're really funny.
Yeah, just tell one.
Come on, just.
I don't know one.
Yes, you do.
Tomorrow's brunch.
You really don't know any jokes?
A little bit of bacon, you'll never
All
know.
right, we're going to somebody else.
Not even funny.
Potato pancakes.
It's gonna be omelets. Turkey.
Turkey, spaghetti.
They're not even funny though.
I know. No?
I know you're seeing me eat like a primitive man over here.
Like a what?
A primitive man.
You are a primitive man.
Like sitting like this eating it.
That is so dumb.
Sit like that.
Yeah. Where have we seen this before?
You'll just,
Dude, were you the one taking those pictures?
Yep.
making coffee.
Get out of there, Scout. Go on.
Hi, Dan. It's good to see.
Sure.
You want me to videotape you on our camera?
No.
Are you sure? I'm glad
In a couple weeks.
dog, Elizabeth?
Emma, look at how dirty she is.
And look at her eyes and everything. She just looks.
Emma. Emma.
Use the water.
Hello. Hi. Hi, sweetie.
Don't put it back in. Let's show everyone how much. Ready? Here we go. Here's a fish. Here's a fish. Ew. They're disgusting. What are you doing? I think he's taping us. Yeah.
Doing this, which I am.
Try out one. Look at that, look at that. Look at the smoke.
We'll put up a smoke screen.
That's real normal.
Die, Amanda.
You've got to be kidding me.
Trap. Go down and give us to your dog.
Shut your old pie hole.
Shut your file, lady. Your dog's getting it.
Can I try one of those?
She probably will.
Oh no, this is big people toys.
Save up some of these sparkler things. Oh, here it goes.
Ooh, don't get too close to that one.
That was nice.
Ooh, that one went off.
That one by the purple one and see how weird it is. Yeah, perfect.
Perfect.
Oh, cool.
Oh. It's just to die for.
What about the green one? Yellow one.
Want a yellow one?
Green.
Fantastic.
Here goes the yellow. The yellow's gonna be cool. You could use those for like smoking a stage.
What?
Use it for what?
You gotta be kidding me.
It's fun. Cool.
Steady shot.
Look at his dog print.
It'd be a better photograph than a video, wouldn't it, Denny? Dan.
Look at his dog print.
I say that 10,000 times a day.
Fantastic.
No, it'd be a better photo, wouldn't it?
Really good photo. It's a good video though.
I shot a lot of video. Guys got rocking in there.
Scout.
Scout! Scout! Go get that! Go get it! Yeah. Can you get a rock for me? No, just go in there and get one. Like that.
Don't hit her. Don't. Hey, Grayson.
I'm trying to hit her on the nose. Yeah, that's good to get up. See? I've never seen a dog go underwater like that.
She likes to go underwater and get rocks.
Oh, that's cute. She's cute. Let's throw that rock.
Huh?
Going underwater.
Oh, look at that. Weird. The red light just came on right in the front.
Weird.
Dan.
Weird.
Red light just came on right in front of us.
Whatever
Should we all just sit in Denny's motorhome tonight?
Okay, I just want to watch you
All the
guys.
kids have one. I'll give mine up if they don't.
I think
Green or
all purple.
No.
No, I just split off.
Sucks down 6 minutes.
That's mine.
Okay, here you go. Who didn't get one yet? Grace? Great, take one. Get a little handle there. Now run around like crazy. Make circles. Run around like crazy. Who won?
Write your name.
Hey, Gray, what are you doing?
Woo! Like a wild engine.
It won't burn you.
Hey, oh, Madeline.
That one might shoot him.
you fire him up. Where's the kid? Oh yeah. Ellie, you come over here and do it for me. Ellie, come over here and do it. You get one to do next.
What?
You do it for me,
They spray at you. Oh, this is scary. This is like the Jungle Cruise, Maddie.
Oh, where did Greg get the Mr. Cool glasses?
I got him yesterday with a big
When you get what? Why is he so cool? Hey, do you do this with those glasses on?
Will has some too.
Oh, speaking of Will.
Lily pad, flowers.
You're going to take it along?
Nice kid.
Yeah, they made Will's. The circulation to his head.
Is that why he's sleeping?
Mm-hmm.
This water's about an inch deep. I can't hear you. Oh, turn around. We're not lost.
We're in the Pirates of the Caribbean.
Hi, Gray.
Scout's having fun. Get a picture of Will there.
Oh.
And the dogs.
Some sort of engine. Ooh, there's a big fish right underneath us.
Oh, for curiosity's sake.